Hey there, creative friends. It's Rebecca here and the cats. And take a look at this. I have a brand new tool. I'm so excited. So I get a brand new tool and the cats get a new box. They're excited too. But anyway, I just wanted to show you. This is not an official unboxing, but I do want to just show you a little bit of the snippets here. This is a 3D printer, the A1 Mini by Bambu Lab. And I'm just so excited, and this is my very first 3D printer. This box was just packaged really well, and it's pretty meticulous the way they set this up. And this A1 Mini is designed to be super user-friendly, and the setup was actually really user-friendly. It's got a really quick guide here to get you up and running, just a handful of pages, and it leads you all the way to the very first print so that you can make sure everything is working. And the actual setup, you know, if you were to do it start to finish, probably only takes about 20 minutes. I took my time with this since I'm brand new to these type of machines. But I have to say, this was put together, this whole setup was put together really well. And everything is labeled perfectly down to the exact screw that goes where. And there's only a few screws that you put in. Actually, just tighten some screws and then take out some other screws. And you had a lot of packaging around it that you take out. And so it shipped really well. It was packaged really well. And once you get it set up, then there's a calibration step that does take about 15 minutes. But all in all, you'll be up and printing with your very first item in less than an hour. And you don't even need a phone or a PC to start. They have about 10 different items that you can print straight from the device itself. And so, of course, I chose the Benchy. It's the classic benchmark test, this cute little tugboat. And so I've watched people over the years print Benchies, and you know, honestly, I've never really wanted a 3D printer until about 2 years ago. I saw this company come on the market, and they were claiming to be user-friendly. And I think they've really hit the mark here. And so straight out of the box, you know, I've discovered that I really don't like tinkering on my tools. I want to get up and running as fast as possible. And I think these Bambu Labs are a great product. This one is the smallest that they make. It's the A1 Mini. And again, it's very tiny, but it is supposed to be an excellent entry point for 3D printers. So I think this is going to satisfy the itch to make, for me anyway. And so I can't wait to try to start designing my own prints. And then there are multitudes of prints available out there where you can just point and click, and depending on how long it takes and how many colors it takes, you can get some really neat items really quickly. So anyway, just wanted to show you my new tool, and yeah, there will probably be several more videos to come, and I'll show you all the cool things that I make. And I'm going to set up a brand new playlist down below, so for 3D printing, so check that out. But I was really pleased. I've been working with this for about a week now, but this was my very first day of getting it up and running. So take a look. There's a lot of great unboxing videos out there if you really need some more details. But it really was really pretty simple. The only thing I ran into is at the very beginning, my print was not working. It wasn't spitting out any of the plastic at all. And so I had to remove the filament and then try again. Turns out whenever you're putting that filament in, you really have to push it in. I was going to where it was just kind of snug, and so you really have to push that filament in. And then since then, I've discovered more the proper way to load and unload the filament. And there is that item on the menu that walks you through it. And this thing is so fast. This is some real-time printing, and this took about 15 to 20 minutes, it maybe 16, and it printed this cute little tugboat Benchy. And again, this is my very first 3D print, and I don't know any better, but I think this looks so darn good. And so definitely there will be more fun to come, and I just can't wait to dig in and start making some more items and some useful stuff and some fun stuff as well. So thanks so much for watching, and the cats and I say hello, and we'll talk to you later.